The productivity gains, not just with the reps, which is what you were alluding to.
Yeah.
The managers, if I got to hire and can retain my talent, I got to inspect their forecast, I got to inspect their pipeline, and I have to inspect the ramping of them. You could do it all in Clari.
Yeah.
I honestly can't imagine what it'd be like being in my role, not having a tool like this to run your business.
Yeah.
I can't imagine what that would look like anymore.
Yeah.
I wake up every morning and I have 3 Clari dashboards open every day. The forecast one, then I've got the AI or the trend, and then I've got the pulse. If you're a CRO and you think, not today, let's hunker down and get back to basics. Or if you're a CFO and you say, wait till we're bigger, the quicker you can get it in and make it a part of your DNA, the more you put into it, the better it gets for you. You have to have the art, you have to have the inspection, you have to know the deal, you have to know your rep, your manager. That will never leave you. But you need the science to help you do deeper inspection. You know, the hard part is knowing who to inspect and when to come in and out and how much to inspect. Clari guides you there.